Hi, it's Anissa from Two Traveling Texans, and today I had some exciting news that I want to share with you guys. I have just passed 500 subscribers. I know to some of you guys that might not sound like a lot, but for someone who didn't even want to do a YouTube channel when I first started out, and I've come a long ways. So I came here to what's called Happisburgh Beach. It's spelled like you would think it's called Happisburgh, but it's Happisburgh. And I wanted to just say thank you to you guys for following along on my YouTube channel. And also I wanted to thank my wonderful husband, Russell, who does all my video editing. I have to say, I didn't want to do a YouTube channel. I'm not someone who really wants to be on camera. Even in my Instagram channel, I don't really put a whole lot of pictures of myself on the feed. But Russell really encouraged me and convinced me, and so I agreed, okay, I'll let you do some filming, but I'm not going to talk. Then I kind of got enough courage up to start talking in the videos. And now I've even done a few Facebook Live videos. So I know I'm definitely not as polished as maybe I need to be. I'm still working on that and working on how we edit our videos to make it a little fancier. But I'm pretty proud of what we've accomplished, and I thank you guys for that. So now we've climbed up the cliff, and I wanted to show you the Happisburgh Lighthouse. So Happisburgh, I didn't mention before, but it's in Norfolk, England, about a 45-minute drive from Norwich where we live. And it's a beautiful place to come if you ever get a chance. It's really nice to just go for a walk. It's so peaceful here. Oh, and then one other thing I forgot to mention that's new with our channel is our drone. So hopefully you enjoyed the drone footage and the rest of this video. And again, thanks to everyone for watching, and thanks to everyone that subscribed. Give me a thumbs up, and definitely check out my website for more travel information and travel inspiration, twotravelingtexans.com. See you next time.